Make sentences using they are. They are my friends. They are playing in the park. They are eating ice cream. They are happy. They are running fast. They are singing a song. They are jumping on the bed. They are watching TV. They are in the garden. They are laughing. They are helping their mother in the kitchen. They are going to school together. They are writing a story. They are making a sandcastle on the beach. They are drawing pictures in their notebooks. They are reading a book under the tree. They are listening to music. They are playing football in the field. They are excited about the school trip. They are waving at their teacher. They are learning new words in English class. They are baking a delicious chocolate cake. They are building a small house with toy blocks. With toy blocks. They are collecting colorful flowers for their teacher. They are practicing for the school play. They are wearing warm sweateners because it is cold. They are talking about their favorite cartoons. They are enjoying they are enjoying they are enjoying their summer vacation at their grandparents' house. They are helping the poor by giving food and clothes. They are writing letters to their pen pals. They are planning a surprise birthday party for their friend. They are working on a science project for the competition. They are planting trees to make the environment cleaner. They are learning about different planets in the solar system. They are discussing the importance of teamwork in sports. They are watching a documentary about wildlife conservation. They are solving a difficult math problem together. They are practicing yoga to stay healthy and fit. They are reading a newspaper to improve their knowledge. They are practicing in a debate about climate change. They are writing an essay on their favorite historical leader. They are helping their younger siblings with homework. They are designing posters for the school's cleanliness campaign. They are collecting donations for a charity event. They are studying late at night for their final exams. They are exploring different cultures through books and documentaries. They are making a list of their goals for the new year. They are practicing a traditional dance for the annual function. They are attending an online class to learn a new language. They are excited to visit a museum this weekend.